បានមកចូលរួមកម្មវិធីបងចូលឆ្នាំខ្មែរជាមួយពួកយើងខ្ញុំនិងសូមអរគុណចំពោះការគាំទ្រជាបន្តសម្រាប់ការសម្ដែងរបស់សិស្សសូមអរគុណ
We have come to the last performance of the day. Khmer New Year marks the end of the harvest season and the beginning of a new year, celebrated over 3 days. It is time for family gatherings, religious ceremonies, and community celebrations. On behalf of Selapak Khmer Ngor, thank you again for coming out this weekend to celebrate Khmer New Year with us, and thank you for your continuous support for the students' performances. Ladies and gentlemen, we saved the best for last. The finale.
ហើយមុនពួកយើងបន្តឲ្យក្រុមតន្ត្រីចាប់ដើមលេងម្ដងទៀតសូម
So before, yeah, go ahead.
សូមណែនាំក្រុមតន្ត្រីពី Houston មានឈ្មោះថាកុលាបសដោយដឹកនាំដោយលោកពូហៃភ្លេងនេះមានប្រគំតន្ត្រីជាភ្លេងបុរាណខ្មែរនិងសម័យបើសិនជាបងប្អូនណាមានការចាប់អារម្មណ៍ដើម្បីជាគាត់ឬក៏ជួគាត់ដើម្បីទៅលេងពិធីកម្មវិធីណាមួយសូមតាក់ទងគាត់នៅលេខ713 823 2742សូមអរគុណ
So we have the White Rose Band here behind us that have played the traditional music for us, traditional music and also modern music. So if anybody's interested for events, you guys can hire them. Their phone number is 713-823-2742.
Thank you guys.
I don't it, Pet I Khan Khan.
Give them a round of applause guys